Hey everyone, welcome back. I have a great card trick to show you today. I was amazed when I saw this card trick for the first time. Honestly, it was I had absolutely no idea how it's done, but it's actually really simple. So yeah, that only means let's get into it. So I'm going to tell the spectator to pick any card that they like. So let's just say they take this one. This is your card. So just remember that. Now, the great thing about this is it can be done just like so casually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask the spectator to just put the card on top. I'm not even going to touch the deck. That's how good this is. I'm not even going to touch the deck. Now, what I want the spectator to do is just cut the deck wherever he fancies. So let's just say he cuts it there. And now just complete the cut. Does that. And he's going to do that over and over again as many times as he or she likes. So let's say he's happy with it there. So now I'm going to ask the spectator to turn the cards over, face up. And all I want them to do is just do the same thing again. So until they're happy. So let's say the spectator's happy with it there. So I'm now going to say I'm going to give it a few cuts just to ensure that they are really mixed up. Alright. I'll ask the spectator if they're happy with that, and of course they're going to say yes. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to predict where your card is in the pack, which obviously seems pretty impossible, right? But I have a feeling that your card is going to be the 12th card down in the deck. So let's have a look and see if I'm right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is the trick. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you're interested in learning how it's done, then please stick around and I will show you. So the setup for this trick is very simple. All you need to do is have one suit from king to ace. The ace needs to be the bottom card, that's all you've got to remember. But have them in order, and then you just put them on the bottom of the deck, and that is your setup. So the spectator can pick a card. So in this case it's the 3 of diamonds. Their card goes on top, and then they can literally cut the deck from that point onwards as many times as they like. So they do that, turn it around, do the same thing, and now what you need to look out for is your chosen suit, your indicator suit. So they can cut the deck, we're trying to find the clubs. So say here, now we know the card is going to be 2 down, it's going to be the second card down. And that's always going to be the case. So let's continue for the sake of the trick. And let's say they stop there. So now we know the card is going to be 5 cards down. And you know that because the 5 of clubs is the bottom card. So that's literally the trick. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will work every time. It's just such a great trick to do if you're new to Magic because it's so simple and you can literally give the spectator the deck and they feel like they're shuffling it and they're basically in full control and you still find that card and it's just, honestly, it gets great reactions. So that's a trick, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Any questions, do drop them in the comments and I will definitely answer them. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video.